All right. So yesterday we were talking about the long-term and short-term effects of hosting the 1996 Olympics in Georgia. We looked at the economics. We looked at the growth. So we're just gonna do some review on some of the words that we did yesterday, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So short-term impact. Who remembers what that was?
Reduces stress and reduces chemicals.
Yeah, that is an example of short-term effect. Exercising does reduce stress and reduces those chemicals. You're right. So short-term impact.
The heart, like, stop pain.
Yeah, that was on another one. Yes. So short-term impact happens quickly, but it only lasts for a short period of time. So it's a limited amount of time. So short period of time, short-term impact. And the next one was long-term impact. Do y'all remember what long-term impact meant? Long-term
Last
impact.
3 years.
Yep.
Yeah, it can last for years. Good job. Very good. Nailed that one. Awesome. What's hosting?
Providing the space and resources for an activity to take place.
Good job.
Right. That is very good, Don Tavis. Can you give me an example of hosting?
Hosting like if someone had a Chick-fil-A place, right?
Mm-hmm.
And someone was like hosting to like replace Chick-fil-A with Burger King.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or what if you're having a birthday party?
Yeah, like a birthday party, and then
Yeah.
like someone's hosting to take place.
And then they could
Yeah.
use Chick-fil-A
Yeah.
as part of their hosting to
Eggs.
provide food.
Yeah.
Perfect. Good job, Don Tavis.
I knew it.
All right. The Olympics that we have been talking about. Which Olympics
The
was it?
1996 Olympics.
1996 Olympics. What happens at the Olympics?
It's like a major international sport event
Mine's
hosted by
basketball
Atlanta.
flip.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's like hosted by Atlanta.
Yeah.
Mine's
And
basketball
there
flip.
is a keyword, 1996.
That's
Yeah,
your
1996
keyword.
Olympics, but guess what? 1996. That included.
That's right.
That's the key word.
What are they competing in?
Various sports.
Various sports. All kind of different
Good.
sports.
Yeah.
Okay, basketball class.
Yes. Let's see. Give me just a moment. I'll grab one of those papers that are on Miss Soto's desk, and I'll just give that one to you. Okay, economy. Let's talk about economy while I fill this out for Brandon real quick. Someone talk to me about economy. Marco, what you got for economy?
It's just how money, industry, and trade are organized. It includes everything from business and jobs to how goods and services are produced and sold.
Okay. Yeah, so economy, basically money, right? Industry, how everything's organized. Businesses, how goods and services are produced, how they're sold, who buys them, who sells them. Give me just a second, y'all. Let me fill this pass out.
Alright. Oh man, I haven't seen those passes since like forever.
I know. It's since Chromebooks got taken up.
I like to
Read
borrow
it
the
on paper.
Chromebooks.
I know. I think we all do.
Yeah.
Now it's 10:22. There you go. Yeah, give me just a second. I'll show you one. All right. We should all know that one. Money that's owed. What's money that's owed? What is that called? Debt.
Yeah.
Very good. Good
Yep.
job, Dontavius. All right, Hunter, help me out here. National economy.
Current system and activities of spread to the functional
Yeah, so it's the economic system of a specific country.
Yep.
Whereas global economy is economic activities of what?
Connects countries around the world.
It connects countries around the world. Very good. Alright, 21st century. We should all know this one. What's this vocabulary word? 21st century.
21st century.
What century are we in right now?
First,
The 21st.
21st, yeah.
Very good, Hunter. We're in the 21st century. So remember, century is 100 years, right?
Yeah.
So the current century that we're in is the 21st century. So it started in 2001. What year is it going to end?
2050. 100.
Close. Yes, 2100. Yes,
Yeah.
2100. So if that's the end of the 21st century, what's after the 21st century?
20 seconds.
The 22nd. Good job, Hunter. Okay, tourism. What's tourism?
You explore the earth.
Yeah, you're exploring the earth. You're traveling. You're going and visiting different places, seeing different things. Very good. Good job. Awesome. Okay, expansion is making something
Bigger.
bigger. Yes, to expand, you're gonna make it bigger.
Your bank of that. Easy go.
All right, we talked about Port of Savannah. First off, who's from Savannah? You
You.
got me. Thank you. Very good. We're finally remembering. I got two that remember now. All right, Port of Savannah. That's the major seaport located in Savannah, Georgia. It's one of the biggest and busiest ports in the United States. So it has a lot of those shipping containers that bring goods in and out of the country. So that's the Port of
So that's
Savannah.
Yep.
All right, all the people, companies, and activities involved in making movies, TV shows, and other video content. What is that?
Film industry?
The film industry. Very good. All right, geographic diversity. That's another vocabulary word for us. So geographic diversity is a variety of different physical landscapes, different climates, and environments found in certain areas. So we're going to have different... So we're going to have different climates. It's going to be a different temperature, different atmosphere anywhere that we live. So like I said, I moved from Savannah. It's humid. That means you walk outside, it feels kind of sticky
Yeah.
because you're right by the ocean there.
Yeah.
Here in Columbus, we don't walk out and feel sticky. We're not right beside an ocean,
True.
right? So it's just different. You're just talking about geographic diversity.
Uh-huh.
It's just different climates. Let me sign this one for Marco. And then we're going to start doing some matching in just a second.
Alright.
All right, tax breaks. What's a tax break?
The government lowers to cover the amount of taxes that people have to pay in order to record a certain activity.
Awesome, Brandon. Love it. Can you give it to me in your own words?
When tax goes down.
Yeah, exactly. They lower the taxes. They make the tax go down, but they're trying to get you to do a certain activity. I love how you reworded that into your own words. Very good, Brandon.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Okay, so that's our review on that. Now with this one, what we're gonna do is we're gonna match.
Ooh.
As soon as I hit start, it's gonna hit timer. There's gonna be a timer, but we're not worried about
Alright,
doing it as quickly as we can. We want to do it correctly.
alright.
So I'll give you that option. We'll do it one at a time. So Hunter, whenever I start it, do you want to be the first one? You want to be the first one whenever I start the matching game to go and do a match? Okay. So Hunter will start us off, and then we'll go around the room. And I am going to hit start. Don't go yet. I'm gonna move it like this. Let's see, how can I? All right, Hunter. Take us off. Go find me a match. Very good. Awesome. You can go next. How about this? When you're matching, read it to me.
Port of Savannah.
Okay, what is it?
A major seaport located in Savannah, Georgia.
Very good.
Yes!
Awesome. All right. Camden, you want to go next?
Yeah.
All right, you're up. Read it to me, whichever ones you choose, okay?
Long-term impact.
Long-term impact. Which one is that? Oh, not quite. Do you want to try again? Which one is the definition for long-term impact? Do you remember what it means?
No, I forgot.
You forgot? Okay, do you want to try a different one?
Um,
Well, think about the film industry. What's film industry about?
they record.
Yeah, so touch film industry first. And now look for one that talks about where they're recording. Where they're making movies. Boom, you got it. Good job, Camden. Alright, Dontavius, you're up.
Right.
Alright, going for long-term impact. Oh, you're supposed to be reading that, sorry.
That's okay.
Alright, read it to me before you touch your choice.
The economic activities that connect countries around the world.
Alright, try it and see. No, not quite. I'm gonna try again.
Yeah, let me try again.
Okay. So long-term impact is going to be something that.
An effect or result that happens over a long period of time after an action which lasts for years.
You got it. Second time was charm. Very good. Okay, Hunter, you're up again. Just 2 words to choose from. Okay. All right, so Hunter, Brandon.
Oh.
Should be easy, but read it out to me anyway.
The activities of a specific country.
And that was what?
In economic,
National.
national.
Yes, national. All right, All right, we're gonna try it again. Can someone get that door for Marco, please? All right, Marco, you're up. So we're matching. What we're doing is we're looking at the words on the board, and you're gonna match it. So come walk up to the board and pick which word you want to choose. So there's a word and there's a definition. So whichever one, read it to me.
Port of Savannah.
Okay, Port of Savannah. Which one is the definition for Port of Savannah?
Where is the seaport located?
Mm-hmm.
No, press it.
Yeah, press it. And then it shows you that you got it right. Good job. All right, who are we on? Camden. You're up. Which one do you want to go for?
Making something bigger.
Okay, which one means making something bigger? You got it. Expansion. Very good. Don Tavius, coming to you.
Right.
Oh, long-term impact.
Yep.
Okay. Good job. All right. Hunter, read it to me before you touch it, okay?
I'm back.
Yeah, it's okay. Tourism. He's going for tourism. Read me the definition. Which one is tourism, Hunter? Awesome. Thank you, Hunter. Very good. All right, hold on. Going to, yeah, you, Brandon,
Yeah.
and then, sorry, we flipped to Marco after that.
Hosting is to provide space and resources for an activity to take place.
Very
Oh.
good.
One more for you. Ready of you.
All right, coming to Marco.
Coming to you.
Read it to me, Marco.
Geographic diversity.
Uh-huh. What is that?
The defined variety of different physical landscapes, climates, and environments found in certain areas.
Awesome. Good job. All right. So now I'm going to switch it to this one. Okay. So this time I'll touch it. I need some, let's see, where did we leave? Who was the last one? Marcus, so on you. Camden, really loud. Read that to me. What's that say? Uh-huh, the definition. So this time we've got the definition up top and we've got the vocabulary word on the bottom. You gotta figure out which one's right. Okay, so what's that one say? I'm pointing it this way when you walked up. I moved it that way, so it's not on you.
Any execution or function that happens quickly after an action and usually lasts for a time.
Very good. So an effect or result that happens quickly after an action and usually lasts for a limited time. Is that 1, long-term impact, 2, long-term outcome, 3, formative, or 4, short-term impact?
That's a long term.
You think that was long-term? Okay. Yep. That one was short-term impact. So remember, it happens quickly and it lasts for a limited time. Limited means short. So a short-term impact, limited time. Alright. So, let's see. Dontavius, coming to you.
Alright.
Read it out to me. What's it say?
An effect or result that happens over a long period of time after an action and can last for years. That's like the third time I got that right.
That's good. Very good. All right, here comes Hunter. Read it to us, Hunter. Okay. So which one is providing the space and resources for an activity to take place? Hosting. You got it. Let me move my mouse out of the way. All right, Brandon, coming to you. Read it out for me.
And there is a
Thank
key
you.
word, so watch out for that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. A major international sports event hosted by Atlanta, Georgia in 1996 that included athletes from all over the world competing in various sports.
Good job. You remember
Very
the key
good.
word.
Ah, you knew
All
that.
right, Marco.
don't you?
Yeah, I told you there was a key word.
Yep. Yeah, I saw
That
it.
was a good clue. That was a good hint.
Yeah, that's what I told you.
Yeah.
Alright, the system of how money, industry, and trade are organized includes everything from businesses and jobs to how goods and services are produced and sold. Economy was the right answer on that one. That was close though. Good try. Okay, Camden, coming to you.
Money that is out.
Owed. Money that is owed. Which one is money that's owed? Is it 1, budget, 2, debt, C, poverty, or 4, trade? Debt.
Good one.
You got it. Very good. Dontavius, back to you. This one's the economic system and activities of a specific country.
Ooh, specific country. The state economy?
No,
I got
That-
only getting them correct.
that's national economy.
National.
So if it's of a specific country, that means a
National.
nation, right?
Oh,
Another
right.
word for country is nation.
Yeah.
So if you remember that, you'll remember national economy.
Yeah.
All right, Hunter, here we go. An effect or result that happens quickly after an action and usually lasts for a limited time. Short-term impact. He got it. Good job. Here comes Brandon.
Because how money, industry, and trade are organized. It includes everything from businesses and jobs to outfits and services are produced and sold.
Economy. You got it. Good job. Okay, let's go, Marco. Okay, the economic system and activities of a specific country. So that one's national economy. If it's a specific country, that's a nation. So it's going to be national economy. Good try, thank you. Awesome.
I had Kasugo.
So now, let's see, I need someone to pass out. Could you give everyone a piece of paper for me? Thank you. All right, Camden's handing everyone a piece of paper.
Hey, Miss Kurt.
Oh, this is, I want to show you something.
All right, guys, hang on. We're gonna finish this real quick.
Alright,
Perfect.
it's Kirkland.
Wait.
All right. I will write up here your exit ticket for today.
Okay.
So we're gonna say what Jones right up here. She writes prettier. What's the difference in a short-term impact and a long-term impact? That was one that I noticed a few people were struggling with, the short-term impact and long-term impact. Don't forget, when you're writing, your sentences start with a capital letter and your sentences end with a period. If anybody needs a pencil, I have some right up
I
here.
got them.
Okay.
But I need to sharpen them all. See which one's the best. Right, Miss Jones? I missed that.
That's right.
I'll do all four right now. Do you mind marking up right here? Do you mind up right here?
I don't think he minds, Brandon.
Hey, do you want me to come up there and give it to you?
I'll come around and get it.
Miss Faye, would you help me sharpen these two? You're not doing well.
They don't want to sharpen right?
You don't want to sharpen right.
Like they're gonna go all the way up.
Okay, please.
Got one of them. Here you go, Brandon. I'm gonna turn this off while y'all are writing.